Hey, it's Jack Miller from Jack's Digital Ventures, and in this video, I'm giving you my full, honest review of Legacy Builders 2.0, an in-depth digital marketing and master resale rights program that I've personally purchased and used myself. If you're looking for a beginner-friendly system to break into the online income world, especially one that doesn't require building a product from scratch, then this video is worth your time. Before we dive in, quick heads up, some of the links in the pinned comment or description may be affiliate links, which means if you buy through one of them, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. And if you're looking for the fastest, easiest, and most effective strategy I've found so far for making money online, the same one that helped me leave my call center job in September 2024, I've also dropped a free gift for you in the pinned comment below. It's a completely free training that walks you through the exact steps I used to get started. Legacy Builders 2.0 is structured into 4 key modules: Launchpad, Passive Daily Pay Blueprint, Digital Mastery, and the full Legacy Builders training. You can buy them individually or as a complete package, and the higher level tiers include access to the earlier modules. This makes it flexible whether you're just getting started or already have some momentum online. The training begins with setting up your digital business foundation and then moves into real-world marketing strategies like building your brand on TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram, even if you're starting from zero. Later modules go deeper into creating your own digital products, building recurring income streams, and using automation tools like ChatGPT to simplify your workflow. What makes Legacy Builders 2.0 really stand out for me is the ability to earn while you learn. Thanks to the included master resale rights, you don't just go through the material, you also get a license to resell the same program and keep 100% of the commissions. That's a big deal, especially if you've ever promoted other affiliate offers where you only earn a small percentage. You also get support through a school community where you can ask questions, track your progress, join weekly Zoom calls, and interact with other members building the same kind of business. From my experience, the platform is easy to navigate, the tutorials are clear, and the overall system is built with simplicity and implementation in mind. You're not left guessing what to do next. And even if you've never created content or marketed online before, the step-by-step layout helps you take action quickly. The combination of done-for-you resources and opportunities to build your own brand makes this program suitable for both beginners and intermediate marketers. It's not a done-for-you system. You'll still need to show up and do the work, but it gives you the structure and support to make real progress. If this sounds like something that fits your goals, I've dropped my link to Legacy Builders 2.0 in the pinned comment below so you can take a closer look. And while you're down there, make sure to grab my completely free training as well. It's the exact roadmap I followed to leave my 9-to-5 job and start earning online, and it's a great complement to this kind of program. If this review brought you value, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel for more no-fluff insights, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks again for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day.